In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to take to download a single individual form completion summary as a professional PDF document directly from your Typeform dashboard. Obtaining a clean and readable copy of a specific response is actually quite simple once you know where to look. To get started, go ahead and open your form and then click on the Results tab located in the top navigation panel of your screen. Once you are there, you will need to choose the Responses subtab to view your full data ledger. Now, take a moment to scroll through your list and locate the individual respondent row that you want to extract into a separate file. When you find it, simply hover your mouse over that specific row until you see the expand icon appear, which usually looks like a dual arrow or a small window asset. Click that icon to open up the full submission card panel on the right side of your screen. This view allows you to see every detail of that particular entry. Next, look toward the top corner of this expanded response panel and click on the three dots option menu to reveal more settings. From the drop-down list that appears, select the option that says Print this response. As soon as you click that, your browser system print dialog window will immediately slide open over your dashboard. This is the crucial part of the process. You must change your print system destination drop-down field from your physical hardware printer over to the option that says Save as PDF. Before you finish, I recommend adjusting your layout settings to ensure the best look. For instance, you should definitely turn on the background graphics toggle to preserve all of Typeform's visual structural spacing. Finally, once everything looks perfect in the preview, just click the Save button and choose where to store the file on your computer. It is that easy.